Hello, David, and hello, everyone. I'm Simon Lexén, CEO for Sensorbee. I'm sitting here today with our founder and Chief Technology Officer, David Löwenbrand. Hello, David.
Hello, Simon.
Hi. Good to be with you, and good to have you at this office.
Yeah, very good to come here to our office in Lund, where you are located.
Yeah.
As you know, we are originally, and we have our production and development in Linköping, Sweden.
Yeah.
But really great to come here and see the sales team.
Yeah.
And so really appreciate.
We love to have you here.
Yeah.
You are missed most of the time, but I understand you need to be at the production line.
Yeah.
Okay. My plan was to go through some questions with you, pretty much why and how and where Sensorbee is now, to give everyone a bit of a brain pick from you. How are you thinking, and what was the inspiration for starting Sensorbee from the beginning?
Yeah. Well, I'm an entrepreneur. I have a technical degree in electronics. I have had some other companies I've been co-founding that have worked with hardware, IoT, but at that time it wasn't really called IoT. But basically, I really love the combination of hardware, cloud services, and bringing a solution that is easy to use. When 5+ years ago, when I was looking into what to do, I saw this new technology emerging. I looked quite a lot at the different access technologies that there is plenty of different ones, but one that emerged was low power cellular technology. So I saw that, okay, this is an area that will come and make it possible to have small solar panel based sensor technology. So that was one thing I really enjoyed. We also had new sensor technology coming in for environmental sensors, and I had some early customers in the area of smart city and air quality. So we started to develop some early systems, and as time goes by, we have continued that journey.
Fantastic, and that takes me into my second question, because Sensorbee now is still active within the smart city case with the air quality. We're active within industries. We're acting within harbors and airports, and then construction and demolition. How do you see Sensorbee changing the market from the traditional units?
Yeah, I mean, one thing that makes me very proud of where we are today is the fact that our products are very easy to use and high quality when it comes to the sensor data that we produce. So those are things that really, we have worked really hard to get, and to have this real-time data streaming in, and see all these visualizations that we can produce in our cloud services, that really gives us a really easy to use system with data that you can trust. So I think that is, and of course, seeing pictures from customers and distributors that show some pictures sometimes about some nice installation, that makes me really proud, knowing that we can help with data collection in different environments.
The best feeling, really, when we see the sensors pop up all over Europe.
And also just with this cellular technology that is working all over Europe and elsewhere, of course, just shipping them from Linköping, our factory, and get them deployed all over Europe mainly, but also outside of Europe, is really a fantastic feeling that we see these cloud-connected devices.
It's incredibly cool that they just plug them in and then they have the data stream. That is impressive.
That is very impressive, and I think this is now, I mean, sensor technology and IoT products have had a little bit slower deployment than maybe people expected 10 years ago, but now we really see this taking off, and we see the value that we bring in for cities and harbors, creating a digital twin and be a part of one vertical of many in forming future cities and take informed decisions that could help to influence the future city building and so on.
Cool, and the technology behind, because how does it work? And we have the production line in Linköping. How does can you talk a bit about the technology?
Yes, we have we have chosen cellular, as I already talked about. When it comes to the sensor technology, I mean, we have a lot of edge computing, so we do a lot of advanced algorithms to take all this massive data that we collect every second and produce them into more reliable, lower time frame data. So we send data up to backend maybe every 5 minutes, commonly. And so the data processing and all the algorithms there is one of our key focus. We also have, we don't develop the actual sensors ourselves, but we have really found the key partners that have the right quality for the right price. So we have a very high quality sensor providers that we will integrate. And we have our backend where that is very modern, very scalable, and very secure. I think we can also easily push our data to different third-party systems, so easy to integrate into different other portals and customer interfaces that our distributors and customers have.
And our sensor is really like a multi sensor.
Yeah.
It's not only the particles, temperature, humidity, NOx, VOC. You have the possibility to connect external sensors too.
Yeah, that's true. We have, as we are part of a lot of tenders, and each tender seems to be somewhat different. And one thing we have tried to help our distributors to really fulfill the tender requirement is to very easily add external sensors using a Modbus interface, a well-known interface that's been around for a long time. So there's a lot of sensors we can hook up and start producing additional data streams into our portal. So
it's very impressive, and also with the battery time. That is something that's been a big focus, both the ease of use and how quick you can set it up. But the battery time is something that is really excelling now and turning into, we can run the device for months without external power.
That is true, and having very low battery consumption is a big task. It's a big engineering task, and we have been working on that for many years, and that have provided us be able to do like 3 months offline, and then we have a small solar panel that gives you a real year-round power. So that's
very impressive.
That's a key area. We have the GPS also. You can see where it is, it's a very complete solution, easy to use.
Impressive. It's very impressive, and the customers are very happy so far. So we are doing something very right. And the team, you handpicked the team you're working with, and you have you together with we've been working now for 3 years, have built a partner and distributor network all over Europe, North America. How have you been thinking? What is the team's role in getting this to life?
Well. I mean, me coming from the technology side, when we started to work together here. You first here as our sales director,
yeah.
and we together built a lot of really really engaged distributors all over Europe, and it's been a lot of fun to
It's
to
been
work
a journey.
and listen to all the feedback and implementing that and so on. So, and really great to have you now as CEO.
I'm very grateful for the opportunity.
Yeah, so perfect. And it really is a new phase in the company where we go from to a scale-up scenario where we also will expand outside of Europe.
Yeah.
So really great. And I love working with our distributors where we get a lot of the inspiration for the roadmap.
Yeah, we traveled and met a lot of them too.
Yep.
Flew around all over pretty much Europe and the world together.
Yeah.
And you get most of the feedback from them.
Yeah, that is one of the key influence on our roadmap, both for our cloud services as well as the hardware.
Yeah.
So
That's fantastic. And going ahead, do you see any? What's the biggest challenge and what is the biggest opportunity that you see?
Yeah, I think making things easy to use, that is something I always say to our engineers, that we can't spend too much time on that, because ease of use is something that can be better and better. So that's something we are constantly working on. Another one is edge computing, using the power we have in the hardware to do more compute, so we can improve the sensor accuracy, and we can also determine the degradation of the sensor quality over time. So those are key areas we are focusing on.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
And then just to keep on delivering a fantastic, well-working system.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Thank you, David, and thank you for letting everyone know a bit more about you and what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.